Hi, welcome to Jake Cunningham's Capstone update number 2. This week I worked on some game objects and I did a rework of our scene stuff. So this is one of the game objects I made. It's a platform, and it has gravity. If you want, you don't need it to have gravity. That second one doesn't have gravity, and they collide with each other. I can test the collision, and once they collide, once their bounding boxes touch, the gravity turns off. It's pretty simple, but it was really just to make sure that they could collide in the first place. Um, I have that working. I made a couple other types of game objects, including a moving platform. I'm going to switch the scene over. Like I said, I did a rework of scenes, so I can just like this pointer points at. This is a scene manager, and this points toward any scene that I tell it to point to. Uh, and that is really a lot better than what we had before, I think. So I can just point to scene one, and that gives me this scene with a lovely moving platform. That platform takes in a model, obviously, so that it looks like that, and then it takes in two positions that are then set to two game objects already created inside the moving platform that are just there for positions so that it knows where it's bouncing between, right? Or like, not bouncing, but like where it's moving in between. And it also has the gravity thing as well if I wanted, but I don't know why you would want that. But who knows? Maybe it comes up. That could be pretty cool. If we just have like a falling, like sliding platform, that would be. It's like an elevator maybe that moves. Cool. But other than that, I did that cool polymorphic scene manager and those platforms. And I made a spike object, and I made a entity for the player base class and the enemy base class. And I also made this drop through platform, which they're basically just game objects with tags that the player will use to decide how to react when he collides with these objects. But yeah, that's what I did for the first couple of weeks of February. Thanks for watching.